Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maximum Math Games. The puzzle of the day is the present sum of the ages of two girls is 88. Mary is twice as old as Annie was when Mary was half as old as Annie will be when she is three times as old as Mary was when she was three times as old as Annie. Alright. See, this is one of the toughest problems on the chapter of ages. Okay, this is a chapter in which most of the people feel overconfident. Most of the people feel that they will be able to solve any question on this chapter. Challenge your friends with this question. Let's see how many of they are able to solve these questions. Also, before you do that, let's see how you are able to solve this question. So pause the video, give this question a try, and when you are done, resume the video to check out the solution. Now, let's see. So, the present ages of two girls is 88. Okay, this much part is clear. Okay. Now the problem is that this is a very complicated situation. Now what we do is, as was done earlier, we did one more question on ages. I will post a link of that question after this video. Do check it out if you have not checked it out earlier. But if you have checked it out, then that question was done by breaking down this statement into smaller sections. So that is what we are going to do right now also. So we will start from the right hand side. As old as Annie. So let us suppose at this reference point Annie is x years old and we write this thing as 1, that is this is the first reference of Annie. Okay. Mary was when she was thrice as old as Annie. So this is the first reference of Mary. So we write M1. M1 is what? 3 times as old as this one is equal to 3 times first reference of Annie. So Mary is 3x. Now let's move on. It says Annie will be when she is thrice as old as Mary. So this is the second reference of Annie. And for this reference it says that Annie too will be when she is 3 times as old as Mary. So that is 3 times M1, the first reference of Mary. So this is 9x. Then it says Mary was half as old as Annie will be. So this is the second reference of Mary. So at this point we say that Mary to M2, that is the at this point the second reference of Mary will be half as old as A2. So that is half of A2. So this is 9 by 2x. Then it says Annie was when Mary was as old as Annie. So this is the third reference of Annie. And we say that A3 is equal to what when Mary was 9 by 2x years old. Here, if you refer to this statement, just this part, okay, so what does this statement state? That at some point of time, Annie was x years old, and at that point of time, Mary was 3x years old. Mary was when she was 3 times as old as Annie. Therefore, age difference will be 2x because the age difference always remains the same. So age difference I can call it as 2x is equal to age of Mary minus age of Annie. And this age difference remains the same irrespective of the time reference point. Therefore, we can always get that age of Annie will be given by age of Mary minus age difference. So that is age of Annie at any point of time will be given by age of Mary minus 2x. So using this formula, we can say that age of Annie at this reference point, that is A3, will be given by 9 by 2x minus 2x. So this comes out to be equal to 5 by 2x. Okay, moving on. Now it says Mary, this is the third reference point of Mary. This is Mary. This reference point states that M3, that is the third reference point of Mary, is actually twice as old as this point at this age of Annie, that is A3. So that is twice as old as A3. So M3 is equal to twice as old as A3, that is 5 by 2x. Therefore M3 is equal to 5x. Now please observe that M3 is nothing but the present age of Mary. So that is MP is equal to 5x. So the present age of Mary is 5x, and according to this formula again we can say that age of Alice, that is the present age of Alex, is equal to 5x minus 2x. 5x minus 2x. So the present age of Alice is equal to 3x. And now we refer to the first statement. So the first statement states that present age of Mary plus present age of Alice is equal to 88. So this implies that 5x plus 3x is equal to 88, and hence revealing us the answer, that is x equal to 11. So that is finally the present age of Mary is equal to 55 years and the present age of Alice is equal to 33 years. That's all the explanation to this question. I hope you enjoyed the question and you enjoyed the explanation. Thank you.